Let's take a look at your MT2 LT4 assignment problem number 9. We want to write a quadratic equation. No, I take a polynomial function that has these roots. So we're going to say that's going to be x plus 5. And then I know if x equals 1 plus or minus, or 1 plus I squared is 11 over 2. That means I'm going to say 2x minus 1 plus I squared roots of 11. And 2x minus 1 minus I squared roots of 11. It's the second part I'm going to spend some time on multiplying. I'm going to rewrite this as 2x minus 1 minus I squared roots of 11 and 2x minus 1 plus I squared roots of 11. Well, if I multiply that, that's the same as 2x minus 1 squared minus I squared roots of 11 squared. Well, let's multiply 2x minus 1, so we get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1, and then plus 11, because I squared is negative 1, so it would be negative 11. We subtract the negative, we get positive 1. So in other words, we get 4x squared minus 4x. And of course, my pen dies right in the middle of a problem. Let me get a new pen out here. So minus 4x plus 12. Now we're going to multiply that by x plus 5. So then we get 4x cubed minus 4x squared plus 12x. And then we'll distribute the 5, so we'll get positive 20x squared minus 20x plus 60. So we get 4x cubed plus 16x squared minus 8x plus 60. And you'll notice that does not match the answer on your solutions page. However, it is the same, because it's just 4 times as big as what it is. If I factor out a 4, I'm going to get the answer that's given. Now, why is that? Because we, in order to make life easier, I multiplied by 2 here. Let me show you how you would do this, how they got their same answer, and show you how they're equivalent. In other words, I'm going to say the same thing. I'm going to say it's going to be x plus 5 times x minus, and this time I'm going to leave the fraction alone. I'm going to say 1 plus, I'm going to say 1/2 actually. I'm going to split it up. So I'm going to say 1/2 plus I squared roots of 11 over 2 times x minus 1/2 minus I squared roots of 11 over 2. Well, I'm going to approach this the same way. So I'm going to rewrite this as x minus 1/2 minus I square root of 11 over 2 times x minus 1/2 plus I square root of 11 over 2. Well, I'll multiply those together, so I'm going to get x minus 1/2 squared, because it's a difference of squares now, minus I square root of 11 over 2. Well, x minus 1/2 squared is going to be x squared minus x plus 1/4. If I get I square root of 11 over 2, that'll be plus 11 over 2. 4. 11 over 4. Sorry about that. Because when you square 2, you get 4. So then we get x squared minus x plus 12 over 4, which is 3. Then we multiply that by x plus 5. I think I'm going to use the box method on this one. Just because I don't want to use another piece of paper. So I'm going to say x squared minus x plus 3. I'm going to multiply that by x plus 5. So x squared times x is x cubed minus x squared plus 3x. 5x squared minus 5x plus 15. So we get x cubed. Negative x squared plus 5x squared is 4x squared. 3x minus 5x is negative 2x plus 15. So that's the answer that's on your solution. Both of them are correct. It's just one is multiplied by 4. I like the first one better, to tell you the truth, because we didn't have to work with all those fractions. But you can do it either way. And hopefully now you see that what we did yesterday was correct. I just didn't realize it at the time.